Hello everyone, I am Riya Shah. Firstly, I would like to thank the Complete Ikigai team for this opportunity to work on their platform. So, yeah, we'll just navigate through our project. So, firstly, I would like to introduce my team members. They are Suyog, myself Riya Shah, and Aishwary Mehta has been working on this project. Yeah. So the screen you see is the flows which we have created. Talking about the pre-processing of the data. So these are the flows we have created. We have pre-processed all the three data sets given. That is training data set, validation data set, as well as test data set. So navigating through training data set. So this is the flow we have created, which work for our project. This is the data set and then dropping the columns accordingly. Then we have used find and replace for the size one. Then this is the Python for the coding purpose for just pre-processing the data. Then conversion, replacing of the null values, and then this is the export of the pre-processed data. Similarly, the different pre-processing data sets goes on. Talking about the training model, we have trained through three models, that is random forest, linear regression, and decision tree. So this is the flow of training model, the data, and just using up the model that's predict and then exporting the data. Similar goes for the other one. Talking about the test models, talking about the random, this is a random forest one. So this is the training model for the validation one, and we have used the random forest model that we have created in the training one, and then this is the export of the data that is trained for validation one. Talking about the accuracy flow, let's take random forest over here itself. So this is the accuracy flow for the price that we have predicted, and this is flows goes on, and this is the export of the accuracy one. So yeah, this was our flow. Now would like to navigate you through our dashboard. Dashboard is basically made user friendly, so any user can just navigate through it easily. The data analysis for any user becomes friendly and easier because not everyone are expert in ML or not everyone knows coding. So yeah, this is our dashboard. Firstly, we have a raw data, then we pre-processed it and we predicted after training the model, and this is what we recommended the price. The raw data, this is the features of the data given. Then this is the actual data we were told to train upon our model. Talking about the pre-processed data. So after pre-processing the null values as well as the dropping the columns, this is the final data we got. This is the index for the data type. Data type were given in the 4, and we just renamed data as in numbers, and data replaced in the data type column 2. This is the description of the data. Going to the prediction. This were the charts of the data versus its price. Then this is the house area, size in BHK versus price. Talking about the price recommendation system. So accordingly, we can enter that data over here. We can just change the data, let's suppose 3 or any of the values, and for area type we have to use this indexing, And after that, we just have to click on the recommendation of price, and accordingly we'll get the chart over here. If we change the values, we just have to refresh our data, so we'll get the updated one. So yeah, that's all about the dashboard. We'll navigate through our accuracy uh, dataset. So the accuracy we got on this platform through, let's suppose, random forest would be displayed. This is the accuracy for the random forest model, and as you can see, the R2 score is 0.56. The MSC and different values is given on the platforms are this. Yep. I would like to thank the complete Ikigai team for the same. Yep.